When homeowners in Clinton Township think about improving their property's curb appeal, landscaping and exterior paint often come to mind first. But one of the most powerful upgrades that can completely transform the appearance of a home is installing picture windows. These large, fixed-pane windows do more than brighten interiors, they instantly enhance the outside look of a property, giving it a polished, upscale feel that impresses neighbors, guests, and potential buyers alike. A modern, polished aesthetic picture windows are designed without grids or moving parts, which means they provide clean, uninterrupted lines. From the street, this sleek look adds a touch of modern sophistication to any style of home. Whether you own a classic colonial or a contemporary ranch, the seamless glass panels create a striking focal point that immediately elevates the overall appearance of the exterior. Unlike smaller or divided windows, picture windows give your home a balanced, symmetrical look. Their expansive surface area draws the eye, making your property stand out on the block while maintaining elegance rather than appearing flashy. Natural light that transforms interiors and exteriors' curb appeal isn't just about what others see, it's also about how the home feels. Picture windows flood rooms with natural light, creating warm, inviting spaces that are visible from outside. A well-lit interior viewed through picture windows makes a house look vibrant, alive, and welcoming. From the curb, passers-by see a glowing, cheerful home rather than one that looks dark or closed off. This sense of openness adds charm and makes the property appear more spacious and inviting, which is particularly appealing to potential buyers if you're considering resale. Framing beautiful views. One of the standout features of picture windows is their ability to frame outdoor scenery like a living piece of art. In Clinton Township, with its tree-lined neighborhoods and seasonal beauty, this feature is especially valuable. From inside, you enjoy sweeping views of your yard, gardens, or skyline. From outside, the effect is just as powerful. Large panes of glass visually connect the indoors with the outdoors, making your home feel more expansive and connected to its surroundings. This seamless integration instantly boosts aesthetic appeal. Energy efficiency meets style. Many homeowners worry that large windows might lead to higher energy bills, but today's picture windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, and insulated frames ensure that homes stay comfortable year-round. This efficiency doesn't just benefit you financially, it also enhances your curb appeal by signaling that your home is modern and well-maintained. In Clinton Township, where seasonal temperature swings are common, energy-efficient windows are a clear selling point for eco-conscious buyers. Low maintenance, long-term beauty. Another curb appeal advantage of picture windows is their durability and ease of care. Since they don't open or close, they're less prone to mechanical issues and wear. Cleaning is simple, just a quick wipe of the glass keeps them sparkling. From the outside, consistently clean, clear windows make a home look cared for and fresh. This low-maintenance feature ensures that your property maintains its polished look without constant upkeep. Adding value and marketability. If you're planning to sell your home in Clinton Township, picture windows can significantly increase marketability. Buyers are drawn to homes that look modern, bright, and welcoming from the moment they pull up. Installing picture windows creates that instant, wow factor, making your property more memorable and desirable. Even if selling isn't on your horizon, you're still investing in long-term value. The combination of style, functionality, and energy savings ensures that picture windows remain a worthwhile upgrade for years to come. Final thoughts. Curb appeal is about first impressions, and picture windows deliver them instantly. Their sleek design, natural light, energy efficiency, and ability to frame outdoor views make them one of the most effective ways to enhance the look and feel of a home in Clinton Township. Whether you're looking to sell or simply want to enjoy a more attractive home, upgrading to picture windows is a decision that pays off both aesthetically and practically. With this single improvement, your home can transform from ordinary to standout, capturing attention and admiration the moment someone drives by.